Do you understand? Do you understand what I saying?
Then why
Yeah,
create a poll, man?
We want to know how was your interest. That's why we made a poll. Because there are more than. Wait, I will check and say. There are 38 members in the group, but there are only 30 members. Yeah, I think Rakesh, can you mute your mic? Yeah, it's good. There are 38 members in the group, but only 30 members are polled. It seems that only 30 members have interest on doing these projects, right? That's why we made a poll in the group. We want to know if the people have any interest for doing this projects or attending those sessions. That's why we made a poll in the group, and based on your interest, we segregate the people's. And we also remove the best friends who are putting the same poll.
Okay, okay. Understand.
Yeah, Navdeep, thank you. Okay, let's start this session. Before going to session, I had a doubt. Do you know about Git and GitHub?
yeah, we know.
Yes.
Yeah, can you say anything about Git and GitHub?
Git is a version control. GitHub is a cloud storage where we push or pull our code.
Yeah,
It is a library to showcase our code to.
yeah. Navdeep, exactly. But a small change. Git means it was running on your own local host, right?
System.
Yeah, local host means your laptop or PCs or anything. Okay, that was Git. You can manage your files and the code through with your Git accounts. Git is nothing but it was an application. Okay, and the GitHub means it was a global repository which was saved in servers.
Hmm.
If you know the password and your username, you can access from any system. That was GitHub, but Git. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, can you say anyone know about organizations in GitHub?
Organization.
Yeah,
Organization.
yeah. Organization means a group of people gather and work together. It means about organization.
Yeah, like that only. There was one option in the GitHub also. That was organization. We can add the people. If you want to work on a single project, you can add the people in the organization, and you can together work on that single project with the help of the organization. Okay. Wait, I will show you. I will share my screen. Is it visible? Everyone know about these all things, right? When you click on your profile at the right topmost, there was one option about organizations. You can simply click on that. After that, I already have some organizations. So these all are organizations. Okay. So I want to create a new organization and go it for a free. We are enough for this. We no need to go for a premium thing, premium one. And you need to give some names like I want to give Venkat. Okay. Contact email, and you can give your contact. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Wait, guys, I will log into my GitHub account and I will share. Yeah, thank you, Pawan. Yes. Okay. You can give your. We are already working on doctor appointment, right? That's why I giving the organization name that, and I want to give my email. It is. It was for my personal. Okay, and click on checkbox. Then start. Anyone can say your GitHub user account name. Yeah, Madhusri Venapusa. Okay. You can add some more accounts also. Another one.
Hello.
Yeah.
HIMA.
Okay. Okay. No need. I already created. I just showing how to. Just good sense of humor, Bhavan. Okay, this was an organization. Okay, guys. When you create this organization, you can see like you had a interface like this. When you go to repositories, you can create like as we had in your repository like that only. You can create. I want to create some repository like a doctor appointment, and everyone please make it in private. Okay, and create your repository. Okay, guys. Up to here, everyone is clear. Guys, please respond.
Everything is clear.
Remaining.
Don't use emojis, Pawan. Hey, Pawan.
Yeah, guys, please respond. Until you respond, I won't move forward this session. Okay. Don't use don't use emojis. I already previously I said that don't use emojis because you need to explore your communication skills. That's why I'm asking to speak. Just unmute your mic and speak. After you can mute your mic. I think everyone just joined in the meeting and went outside. I feel like that.
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah, Nadeep. Thank you. Thank you, Jevan. Thank you, Madhu.
Everybody are sitting behind the screens and they are watching.
Don't be fear, guys. Karna, can you?
Don't fear when Pawan is here. We have
Yeah,
our lead Pawan. He can do anything.
yeah, yeah, Nadeep.
Yes.
Karna, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah, Karna. Then you can respond to the questions
Just say
which were
simple
asked.
words, man. Okay, right, all done. Just they are simple words, right?
Uh,
Use them.
it can gives you some confidence.
Yeah, why guys? Why you guys were being afraid? We are also one of them. Yeah.
Yes, G1
Okay.
Cisco, absolutely.
I love you, Jevan.
Okay, guys. When you create a repository, you all know the interface looks like this. This was your repository address, right? Okay.
Yep, yep.
Hmm. Okay, I just going to command prompt and I was creating one project. Okay. Okay, my project was created and I had here, and now I was opening Git Bash. I think everyone had a Git Bash in their systems.
Yes, Venkat, we have.
Yes, and
Yeah, just navigate to your project by using CD space Venkat. Are you able to see this?
can you zoom it?
Yes. Yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah. If you want to, first of all, this was a graphical interface. While you are using Windows, these all are graphical interface. You can click on the project and you can open it. Okay. When it comes to Git Bash, it was an command line interface. I think everyone know about this. If you going to placed in any company means you can work like this only with Linux operating systems, Ubuntu or Red Hat, everything, right? They shows like this only. When you type ls means it shows around what was that repository, sorry, that file, that
List
folder
of
contain.
files. List of files. Yeah.
Yeah, list of files. Okay, thank you Nadeep. And when you enter the command ls space hyphen la, it shows hidden files also. Okay, these all are hidden files, guys. Okay, now I want to push this folder into the GitHub. So I want to first of all, there. Let us take an example of by sending mangoes to your friends. Okay, first of all, you had a dozen of mangoes, and you want to send it to your friends. Before you're sending, what will you do?
We have to push our code, right?
First of all, you had a 12 mangoes, right?
You should
Before
text
sending,
and say something.
yeah, you're going to bring some box, right?
Repository.
Box. I
Git
just
init. Git
saying a
init.
general example.
Okay, analogy.
Okay. Okay, first of all, we need to create some box for mangoes. That is nothing but Git init.
Git init.
In our technical terms, it was initializing some Git repository. Okay, that was nothing but a box for mangoes. It already is saying that reinitialized existing Git repository in D drive btech project venkat.git. Okay. Now you had a box. What will you do right now?
We have to push that mangoes in that box.
We will
Yeah,
keep
we want
mangoes.
to put these all mangoes in the box, right? There are a lot of mangoes here, right? These all are the mangoes, right? We need to put these mangoes in this box. Nothing, someone having. So I was typing command git add space dot. If you want to bind these all files and folders means you can add a dot, or else you want to push the particular file or
File name.
folder means remove this and add that file or folder name. Okay, now I want to bind this all the files and folders. Okay, now if you had some doubt that the files are going to that box or not, then you can git status. It's showing right pubspec.log. It was added into the that box. Okay. Okay. Next. Now we binded the box with mangoes. So we filled the and packed the box with mangoes. So next, what will you do?
We have to label it.
Yeah, we had to
The
label
address
about it
that
was
we have to
containing something. What it was containing? Mangoes, right?
Yes.
So we need to commit this, and we made some message on that. Git commit space hyphen m. We need to make the message in double quotes. When you commit, it was applied to that particular. Now I want to send this to particular address. Remote. Sorry, remote add origin and give this link here. Just paste. This organization is already existed. If you have erased this error on your system, then
Venkat,
just do
try
one
to
thing.
create a new folder and do on that.
Yeah. I will delete this folder right here, and I will do on that. I had .git file, right? If you delete this means your address will delete from this folder. Okay.
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 Refresh the page, Venkat.
Yeah. Now just you already had a box and you packed it into that box. Already you gave some label on that and you already gave the address. Now what will you do? You are posting this, right? Hit push
Yes.
hyphen u origin. Now here whom it was collecting. We had it out whom it was collecting, right? At that time you can just check git branch. Here we had a master, but you don't want to send to the master, and at that time you can do like git branch, and you're like I want to send it to Pawan means Pawan. Now just check again. You had master and Pawan, but it was still receiving master only. Then you need to check this master to Pawan, right? So you need to put type the command git checkout Pawan, and it's showing that switch to branch to Pawan. Okay, at that time you can check again. You can see here master was receiving right here, but now when I type this command git checkout Pawan, then now the receiver was Pawan, right? Now you can push the code to global repository. Git new horizon Pawan. If you had a good internet means it will push immediately, but I had some internet issues that will take some time. Okay, when you get like this 100%, then the gate was successfully get your code, and you can go to GitHub and you can check it. Yeah, here your code, and just check here. There are two branches. One is master and one was Pawan, which was I created. Okay, why we are saying this to you means we all are working on same organization only. You can when you come here, yeah, when you come here you can create your own repositories. Guys, don't worry, your team mentors can create the organization and add for you. They can already give the ownership for these organizations, and you can create your own repositories. Then you can push your code every day right here, and you can push your code every day by new branches. Okay, is there any doubts?
No, no doubts.
No, Venkat.
Yeah,
Venkat,
yeah, Bindu.
can you please explain what was the use of these branches?
Branches. Yeah, when you are working on a group project, right?
Yeah.
You had some code while you are doing in group projects. You and your friend are working at the same time.
Okay.
You push the code into the master, and your friend also push the code into the master. At that time, there had some merge conflicts. Do you understand?
I understand
Merge
it.
conflicts. At that time, the errors were raises. That's why we are asking to create a separate branch, and you can push your code into that branch. The main branch will process the main code. Okay.
After pushing
Later
our
we can
code
merge all
into the
branches.
branches, then it will
Yeah,
be go to the
later
master.
when we complete the entire project, later we can merge all branches and delete the unused branches. Okay.
Yeah, to add that, in companies, like usually when you create branches, like you are doing this work today. Uh, so your work is visible to other persons, like what you have done today. So that work must be seen in your branches. So when manager goes to your branches and see when you commit the work or not, so likewise they can see your work by branches wise.
And also, Bindu, we had a real-time example while me and Pawan was working on Shoot Express. We pushed same code into same branch. At that
Can
time,
you
we
show me that
faced
example to us? Then it
no
will be easy to
already
understand.
already we solved
Like
that.
that, Venkat, show the dashboard with the Shoot Express Git activity.
Yeah. I was trying to do. At that time, we had the same problem. After that, we are pushing our code. The creator go right, Pawan. Yeah, these are the things we all are done. Pawan, can you take care of this? I was not aware about this.
Once again, I am outside. You can log in with my build and learn account and show the activity from there. I will share the credentials in WhatsApp.
Okay, okay.
Until then,
Yeah,
I'll give you visually what is Git and GitHub. Make sure I think it is sticky on your mind. So I can share on my screen. Let me share my screen. Actually, now you understood what is Git and what is GitHub and how you can push your code into GitHub. See, carefully listen, guys. So here, Git is means local mission. Git is means local mission in the sense of your computer. So whenever you write code on your computer, that is your Git. Okay. So you want to push your code to GitHub that is stored in remotely. So you have your code in your local machine. So you can only see your code. You can only run your application. You can only see your application which is working or not, but others cannot see. So if you want to see others, your work to others, you need to push your code to GitHub. That is called GitHub. See here, this is GitHub. This is Git. It is your local mission. See in screen, okay? So whenever you write code, you need to push your code to GitHub. That is cloud storage. So this GitHub will store your code to cloud. Okay, so you understood. So you write in a code to your computer and you are pushing your code to GitHub because when I send my code to GitHub, that will be visible to others. So this is the main idea, right? This is the main agenda of Git and GitHub. So see here. So did you understood what is Git? Git means you are sending your code or version or something to GitHub. For example, I am my name is Shanmukh, right? So I am the developer A, and developer B was Navdeep. So I work on one project that is login page. So Navdeep works on dashboard. So my code will be in my computers only. So dashboard code will be in Navdeep's computers. So I'll push my code to GitHub, and Navdeep also push his code to GitHub. So after that we will merge the code. So application is completed, right? So whenever you are trying to build a project by group, it is very useful for you, right? See here, this is the example. So developer A pushes code, developer B pushes code. So Git combines changes, then others can see the application. So that's how real work projects will work. So in group of team members, everyone has some works. So everyone do their works and push their code to GitHub. Git means local mission. You are pushing your code to GitHub. So that is what is GitHub. Now see, just now Venkat said repository. What is repository? So repository in the sense it is a empty box. Initially we create empty box. Here local machine means our computers. Whenever you trying to send your code to GitHub, whenever you are trying to send your code to cloud storage, in the sense you just want one box. That box we call it as repository. Here see repo, you can see here over here, this is repository. Initially whenever you are trying to push your code to GitHub, you need to create the repository. So did you understand? So what is repository, right? So we'll write the comment for how to create the repository. So after creating repository, so okay, let's take for example. So I am in Rajahmundry and Navdeep in Kovuru. So I want to send a parcel to Kovuru. Navdeep's house. How did I know Navdeep's house? Because of his address only, right? Everyone has unique address, right? So Navdeep has unique address, Jeevan has unique address. Whenever I'm trying to connect with someone, I want address. So that's why here one command came. What is that? You are, this is Git remote. Yeah, I'll show you command here how you can connect your local repository. Local repository in the sense your machine. Repository in the sense cloud. It is online, okay? So here, first I said one command, right? You need to first create the one empty repository, that is git init. Whenever you write git init, that initialize an empty repository. So now here, this is your local repository, this is your repository. So okay, now you want to connect a bridge, right? You want to connect a bridge for your local repository. That's where uh, um, we'll see. This is the command git remote add origin. Git is whenever you are using git commands, you use git, okay? Remote in the sense, remote means online, right? So GitHub is in the online, so that's why you are using remote. Add means you are adding address to the repository. This is repository URL. Now I'll show you clearly. So this is GitHub, okay? Whatever you are seeing in screen, this is your GitHub. This is my laptop. This is my laptop, okay? Now you understood. So this is now I'm trying to send my push my code to GitHub. So here you can see school project. So this is the project I worked on. There is no file till now. So let me create any file. Okay, something. I've done something work. Okay. So I want to push my code to GitHub. So what? How can I push my code to? First of all, you need to push your code, right? So that's why you need to go to the command prompt. How can you go to the command prompt? Type cmd. So this is your place. You can push your code to school project. You are in the school project. So I want to push my code to GitHub. So first I need to create Git init. Git init means it will create a repository in the online. Okay, so it is created. Now I want to add the all files which is in my school project. So whatever files are there in my school projects, I want to add it into repository. So I can add git add dot. Dot in the sense all files will be added into online repository, GitHub repository. Okay. When I write file name, only just that file name will be added. Wait. Sorry. So whenever you are trying to write file name, only file name will be added. So I don't want that. I want to add all files. Only one file is there. Okay. Also, just now all files are added. So I want to connect my computer to local repository. How can I connect? Git? Git means already know. Remote means I want to connect remote repository. Add means I want to add the address of Git repository. Add origin. So origin means in the origin, you can think it like origin in the sense address. Okay. So I want to connect that address. But where is your Git repository? So that's how what? Okay. This is my GitHub online. So I want to create one repository. I created repository, school project. This is school project, and I created. So this is my online repository. I think you all are aware of how can you log in through your GitHub. That is very easy. Okay. this is your online repository URL. So you need to connect your local code to this repository. So that's why I'm copying here, I'm pasting here. Okay, so that's how you can connect your local repository to online repository. So you already connected. So now you want, whenever you're pushing your code, let me see. Here, whenever you're pushing your code to GitHub, you need to give some name to it. So I want to add, and I'm trying, right? So if you worked on login page, whenever you're committing, you need to give some name, login. I built login. So then users can see, okay, Shannu built login. Whenever you are trying another code, after one day, you are again pushing your code. Then how can you give some other feature like I worked on admin page. So you can commit message. You can enter your commit message. I'm admin. So now I'm trying to give a message to that work. So git commit. Commit means saving in repository. Commit means this code will be saved in online repository. So that's why I'm using commit. I think you understood commit in the sense save. So save. You are trying to give a message to that code. So message is, you need to mention in double quotes because it message is string format, right? You already know about what is data type string at all. So I worked on login page. I'm writing I worked on login page. So this is how I gave one message to my work. So everything is clear for you. Initially you created one repository at online. After that you connected uh, your local repository to online repository by using URL. Okay. After that you gave one message to that work, that feature. Whenever you are pushing your code, you need to give some message. So you gave. Last most thing is you completed everything. Initially, create repository from local repository.
Shanu, Shanu, can you
You
check
gave
your internet
some
connection?
address. Now you need,
Shanu, can
yeah,
you check
wait.
your internet connection?
Uh, yeah. Now okay.
Yeah, all right.
Mm. Initially, initially you created one repository and you gave some address and you are gave some message, right? After that you need to push your code to GitHub repository. So that's why I'm writing one command here: git push -u origin. But which origin it is? Now we'll see the what is branching. Here this is the repository. This is the one branch which is related to Shanmukh. This is the second branch which is related to Navdeep. Navdeep. And this is the third branch which is related to Jivan. So here there are multiple branches in one repository. But I worked on some features. I'm the person Shanmukh Srinu. So I want to send my data to only Shanmukh branch, not to Navdeep branch, Jivan branch. So that's why you need to mention your branch name. Whenever you are uh, defaultly GitHub account having main branch. So that's why I'm writing main here. Git push, git push -u origin. You can see here main branch. Somehow our latest GitHub account having master defaultly, but my one is old version. That's why I'm writing main. Okay. Fail to push some repository GitHub Shanmukha Srinu school project dot git. Main does not match any something. You'll see. Initially created git in it. You added. Can you find any error? Did anyone find any error? You created, initialized Git, you added one file, you are commenting here. After that, you are uh, okay. Hyphen force, hyphen force. Yeah. Git push minus u origin hyphen force. Is it correct? No. Yeah. Let me write it once again.
Yeah, Shanmugh, you are already committed, na? Hello. You can't change anything
Okay.
after commits. Hello.
You can
Am I audible, Shanmugh?
tell me. Nothing to commit here. Okay. Did
Yeah,
you
I
see?
already committed there. Git commit hyphen m. That
Yeah.
was
After
committed
committing
already.
only you can push your code.
How can you push
Yeah.
after commit?
It remote.
After push, we can use the commit.
After push. See here. After remote only you can push here. You can see here see you can see here also. Git in it. He is adding readme file. After that he is pushing. Uh, he is setting main branch. He is committing. He is adding address. After that he is pushing. Okay. Origin. Where is the link? This is the link. Limit origin access. Git commit hyphen uh, something worked. Git push hyphen u origin main. Maybe let me create any another uh, repository.
No need, Shanmugh. I think you have to
URL
create
is
one branch there.
committed. Already main branch is created.
Yeah, main branch is created.
Uh,
You can use a command git branch hyphen m main something.
yeah,
Ensure your
that is
branch is named main. Yeah,
already my one is mine is branch only.
uh,
Default.
yeah, your branch is main, but you can use the git branch hyphen m main. It was go to your main branch. Then you can push the git push hyphen u origin main. It will be okay.
You are seeing here.
Git branch, git branch.
Here. See.
I will send you
Yeah,
the code.
Shanu, before you're running those commands, go to that file and remove .git file.
Okay. It's some issue with this only. I
I
think I
think it
tried
was issue
on
with your GitHub
feedback.
account.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Previously, I have some issues with SSL command. Yeah, sorry. Here, previously, I have issues with SSH. defaultly it is my SSH, so that's why it coming over here. Uh, Same commands will work on
I think you
will
are
work
using
on
SSH for that.
anywhere, but I have some issues. So yeah. That's right. That's right. Same commands will be implemented. Venkat, same commands you need to write. Okay,
Yeah.
just show to
Actually,
them.
Bindu,
So that's
you,
so. Uh,
yeah, Bindu, you asked that can you show me some
Bindu,
example
you
which was
understand what?
no. She was asking for some example which was match conflicts, right?
Yeah. Before that, you need to just show the how
Yeah,
to push the
I
code to
want.
this repository. My one is
Yeah,
yeah.
can you
Just same code. Whatever I write, just read that. Yeah. Just,
wait. Yeah, I was continuing. Bindu, just see here. First of all, we are pushing to the main branch. We at starting we are pushing this all code to the main branch. At that time, we had some errors at a particular time, but we don't want to lose the entire project. That's why I stopped pushing and Pavan done force push. Do you see this? He made a force push right here, and I stop pushing. After that, I pushed. I created my branch admin. After that, I worked on admin, and he was working on main. That's why we are asking to create different branches for you to stop the merge conflicts. Yeah, Pawan, take, you can continue with your.
So hi guys, let me continue with the remaining steps. So so let me create an organization, quick organization. So as Venkat told, I have creating the organization. So can anyone tell your Git account IDs?
Venkat Malla 6.
Any other?
Gauri Madhu, GOU, RIM 05
05.
@gmail.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is our organization, right? So in this organization, we have repositories option. So let me create a repository called admin panel. Admin panel repository. And
Pavan, uh,
yeah,
I think no need to say this because they already listen with me and Shanu also.
yeah,
I
one
think
second,
it
one
is good.
second, one second, one second, one second. Admin panel. So I just copy this URL. We need to create an admin panel. So open this admin panel command prompt. MD. For example, I'm creating an index.html file. Index.html. Yes. So let me add something here. So once I have added, you just save the files and open the previous terminal and just copy these all the commands, copy and paste it here. So here we need to do one thing, git add space dot. So after that we can push the final command, git push origin main. Something refers to push some does not match. Shanu, what's the issue? Any git?
I have got same error. I think try it on Git Bash.
No, I think you are using SSH key for this. The only command prompt accept SSH keys only. But you
No,
are
my
trying
git
to
will
Okay,
work.
then try.
I check morning also it will work. Maybe
Try Git Bash once.
git bash.
Git Bash.
What is git? Ah,
Okay.
understood. We just need to give git push only. Git push, yeah, this one. Same issue.
sure.
Git bash. Shanu, tell me. Git bash is not a command, yeah.
Git bash is not a command, bro.
Maybe
Git
it's
bash
like.
is a terminal. It's terminal.
Shall I need to log in here? Git bash. Git login. Huh?
I think you no need to log in again.
Why?
You already log in with your Git accounts. No need to log in again.
But why I'm getting this error? Main does not match. Maybe I need to push in master, right? Master.
Yeah, you,
No, Ray. It was only using SSH keys. You need to connect with that.
Manage access. Why?
Pawan,
SSH.
once go to your file. Once you go to your file, open with that file into open that file using Git Bash.
Remove the Git.
Git.
Wait,
Not
wait.
command.
Hmm.
Right click. Once right click the file. Right click the file. Delete once. Git dot git delete once.
Your voice is
Delete
not
the got.
audible.
Okay, delete dot git.
Okay, delete.
Now
No.
right click on
Open.
space.
Yeah.
Right click on
CM.
space. No need. Just right click here.
Or else open in VS Code
Right.
code.v. Yeah. Open terminal and try it once.
Okay, once again.
Git. Yeah. Git in it. Try it once.
Wait. Need to open that folder, right?
Mm, yeah.
Before that, you need to remove that readme file at add
I
git add.
deleted.
Yeah, remove that. Yeah.
Select all copy. Just need to paste.
Yeah, push. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, it's uh,
yes, yes. Please, yes or no? Yes.
Why yes?
Permission denied.
yeah,
Use
yeah,
HTTP.
Git add. Hmm. Make sure you have correct access with this repository. What is it telling me? Not getting manage
You
access.
already first initiated git, right? It take that access, go to that file and remove .git file again.
Okay. Mode. I will do it again. Yes. Work. So let me see. So in this way, you need to commit in the Git like this. You need to create multiple repositories in your organization. Like for admin panel one, for user app one, for something any other sub project. You need to create sub based on the sub project number. You need to create multiple repositories here, and for each repository there will be multiple branches like main. Like for my project, there will be branch for there will be branch for each person have a separate branch like that. So all developers have their own branch. They need to push their branches accordingly. So all the activity I will watch it from the activity logs. I will show you. So how many files you changed, everything I will show from there. I will select. So this is the activity log of my other project. So I will check everyone's activity, what they done and what files are changed, everything like this. What removed, what added, everything. So make sure you don't have any conflict errors. Like no, at a time don't do any simultaneous tasks on same files. So it will be leads to much conflicts. And today this is enough for Git commits on these organizations. Tomorrow we will create the organization and invite you all. Just give your Git account IDs or usernames or email addresses in the group. We will add the we will add to your projects organizations by tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning we will discussing about the animations and some other video generations as well. So how to add animations in our app or website, and how to create our own animations, how to create our own video files, and how to create a generate logos or animate them. So all will be discussed tomorrow. So anybody have doubts in today's class?
Guys, one more thing, we already integrated that Git organization in the within the website. We can see your tasks and your progress within the website only.
Okay.
Anyone have doubts?
No.
No, no.
Okay, I think today class is bored because everyone know about GitHub. That's why you are feeling too bored. I know that. From tomorrow onwards, there was new sessions because you all need to know about the animations, right? For a flash screen, or you can integrate those animations in your apps for clicking buttons or navigating to some other pages. At the time, you need to aware of some animations, right? So from tomorrow onwards, we had some interesting session on animations by using Google Flow. Okay, make sure that please everyone please connect to the Google Meet tomorrow at 8:30 only, sharp 8:30. If you start earlier means you can we can leave early.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Anyone if anyone have any doubts, means can you ask? You can ask.
So the projects divide also, the division of project members also be done today itself only. So we will see all the progressing guys and we will add them in good projects. We if you not come, we will do, we will add in a hard project. It will be your issue. If you not understand, if you not come classes regularly, we will do like that only.
Yeah, and also we are noticing that we also have some communication miscommunications while we are speaking because we are also learning communication. That's why I think you guys all are understanding. If you guys are not understanding this, can you please tell me immediately? We can change our tone or teaching because we are also learning right now only. We are also some fears within our mentality, so we need to change our mentality also within 2 to 4 sessions. We can work in those all things. Until then, just cooperate to us. Don't feel bored, okay? Because today's session is bored, I know, because everyone know about Git and GitHub. So from tomorrow onwards, there are some interesting sessions. uh, Pawan, if possible, you can share that animations which are done at our hackathon. No need to edit your photos, videos, anything. You can use AI for those all animations, okay? From tomorrow onwards, you can learn these all things, and Pawan will take care of these things. No need to go for editing or anything. Just you need to know how to create animations on videos or logos, okay? Tomorrow session will based on these animations and the creating of logos for your applications. Okay, guys, anyone have any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, please you may leave.
Embracing the future, Bhumi empowers farmers with advanced AI to analyze and grow better yields. Your smart farming assistant is here. Smart farming, better future.
Madhu, leave the meet, please.
Okay.
Okay, Pawan, change it. Change the, what is that? Google. అరే అది చేంజ్ చేయరే, ఓపెన్ లో కాదు, ట్రస్టెడ్ పెట్టే. అరే నాకు ఒకటి అర్థం కాలేదు, నేను చెప్పింది ఎంతరా మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేశారు మీరు? నేను అనేది అది కాదురా, నేను అవ్వలేదు.
నాది అవ్వలేదు.
నాది పుష్ అయిపోయిందిరా.
అయినా ఈ రోజు వాళ్ళకి బోరింగ్ అనిపించింది నిజమే.
నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా. లేదు లేదు రే
కాకపోతే
రే ఒకసారి ఆగండి, నేను చెప్పేది వినండి. అక్కడ చాలా మందికి ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అంటే తెలీదు. ఫస్ట్
అందుకే
ఆల్రెడీ చాలా మంది తెలుసుకున్నారు ఈ రోజు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అంటూ ఒకటి ఉంటది, మనం వర్క్ చేయొచ్చు అని. అదంతా బాగానే ఉంది. నేను ఆర్గనైజేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, గిట్ రిపోజిటరీ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, పుష్ చేశాను, అంతా సక్సెస్ఫుల్ బాగానే అయ్యింది అక్కడ దాకా. నేను చూపించాలని అనుకుంది ఏంటనుకున్నావు, నీకు నాకు ఒకసారి మెజ్ కాన్ఫిక్స్ వచ్చింది చూసావా?